You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases once and for all correctly. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. If you want to learn more pronunciations, more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. Hate is how you say it. Don't forget to pronounce the H, H, and then 8, alright? So it's not hearty or hat. Hate, as in I hate running, or I hate you, she hates me. Hate. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.